My name is Leigh Fletcher. I'm a planetary scientist at the University of Leicester. Now, for several decades, scientists at Leicester were involved in an exciting and ambitious mission to explore the giant planet Saturn. It's the planet itself, its tremendous ring system, and its collection of icy satellites. Now, the Cassini-Huygens mission launched back in 1997. It spent 7.5 years getting out to the giant planet Saturn, and then spent an unprecedented 13 years exploring Saturn, its turbulent and stormy atmosphere, as well as the environments found on those icy moons. And we saw some tremendous things. Enormous storm systems that would bubble up from the deep interior of Saturn and shape the appearance over several months and years. We saw a bizarre hexagonal wave structure up at the North Pole of Saturn, which is still there to this day and is very hard to explain. It appears to be an interaction between the winds of Saturn and the background flows within the atmosphere. Now, Cassini's longevity was ideal because Saturn takes 30 Earth years to go around the sun and experiences spring, summer, autumn, and winter, just like here on planet Earth. By lasting for nearly half of that time, it meant that Cassini could sample all of those seasons. Now, in orbit around Saturn is a really unusual moon called Titan. It's one of the most impressive places in the solar system because it's the only satellite to have a thick atmosphere. And that atmosphere meant that the Huygens probe could use a parachute to descend down to the surface of this icy moon. And this image that you see in front of you is an absolutely historic photograph taken from the surface of this icy moon, Titan. And you can see those little rounded pebbles made of water ice there in front of the probe's cameras. Now, this is the most distant image ever taken on a planetary surface and was quite an incredible thing to behold when we first saw it back in 2005. And what we've learnt about Titan is it's one of the only places in the solar system to have standing bodies of liquid. These are liquid seas of methane and ethane, hydrocarbons, there towards the poles of Titan. And that offers the tantalizing prospect that one day a spacecraft will be able to land in those seas and sail along the surface of those Titanian lakes, gazing back across the Titanian mountain ranges and just floating in and out of the various river channels. Now, that's all ambitious stuff for the future. Sadly, the Cassini mission came to a natural end in 2017, but leaving behind it a legacy of incredible discoveries that scientists at the University of Leicester will be poring over for many years to come.